Hey everyone, welcome to Guidelines. In this video, I'm going to give you full tutorial on Runway AI. So this is the interface of Runway AI website. Runway AI app also available if you are using Android or iPhone. You can also use app of Runway. So let's understand each feature of Runway AI and what it do. So here you can see in the apps, you will find here different options like describe your creation or search apps or what do you want to create. You can simply write here what you have to create, or you can send a image of reference or video. It will just scan all the things and it will give you the best results possible and show you the best options through this. Like here you can see film or short. Suppose you have to create multi-shot video like this. You can see here I don't want to show you a full video here because it will waste our time. So you can see here this type of different angles video, multi-shot video. What you have to do, simply click here multi-shot video. Describe a story of what type of video you have to create. You can here add the first frame of video in the then just scroll down. Once you upload, you have to scroll down and upload second frame of video. Here you can choose the video ratio like 9:16, 16:9, whatever you want to create, and the video quality and how much seconds of video you want to create. Then suppose you have to create 15 minutes video and audio on or off, you can choose, but it is not free. You will have to upgrade to use all these features. I will tell you the pricing of Runway here. Don't worry. um, Once you all do all these things here, you will see the option, uh, what you can say, complete or start the process, and then your video will be ready in the minutes. Then you can also make video like this types of multi-shots video you can add. Then we can also create scene builder, edit video, upscale video as well. Here if you want to upscale your video, if your video is blur and you want to upscale that video, simply upload that video here and click on generate. It will upscale your video to the 4K. This is how these things actually works. Then you can also edit videos, performance capture with act 2. So you can animate characters using driving performance videos. Suppose you have to animate your video with any animal, you can animate like this. Simply click here and you can record and you can choose a character here and simply click here to generate. This is how you can create all these things. Then here, remove from video. Suppose you have to uh, avoid reshooting what you have already created with simple touch-ups and removes. Suppose you have to remove anything from the video, simply describe what you have to remove and click here generate and it will work. Like suppose here you can see this is the video and in this video they have removed people of this video and how beautifully they removed all these things and it looks exactly, or you can say very clean. Then here you can describe your creation, search apps like starter kits, custom image, video, audio mode. You can shoot film or short. You can start marketing, social media content, educational content, experimental art as well. All the things you can generate here using AI. Then here in the custom, let's see what they offers. So here in the custom, you can upload your first frame of the video, describe here, and click here generate, and you can choose your model, and it will create videos like this types of video it will generate. Then here in the agents, so Runway AI agent is like what you can say chat GPT. You simply describe your video and it will create a video like this. Suppose here you can see These types of video you can generate by simply texting your idea. Even these types of video as well. If you have to create story through this, you can even try these types of videos through this. So this way you can use agent. And in the and whether it is taking time or refreshing, loading. And here in the recents you can see recent videos that I have created. So I have generated any videos here. That side is showing no generation found. You can also see all assets here, all media, playwrights, tags, and all things that you can used or created. And then here in the workflow, you can build the workflow that work for you. You can create your own custom node based workflows, chaining together multiple models and intentionally steps for even more control. What you have to do is simply click here on build a workflow, and here you can see connect multiple models and immediately steps together to create personalized creative process. You can try a template below to get started building. This is how you can create. You can simply add a text to image. So you have to write a text and image will be generated, and through that image you can enhance the prompt and you can create a video, or through that video you can generate a character, and after that you can create a story. This is how this workflow actually works. So it will basically save your time. Then here in the characters, here you can see this girl, which is completely, yeah, this is how you can animate your characters. So this different characters with same tone you can create. Here you can see introducing runway characters, bring our fully custom real-time intelligent avatars directly into your websites, products, apps, and services. Yeah, this is the one thing that I love most about this. And here in the explore new interactions with runway characters, you can join a meeting. We can simply select a character here and simply add a meeting link here and join meeting. Then here in the script or audio character, you can generate talking character videos from a script to audio. Simply click here, select a character, write a script here, and the result will be ready here. So yeah, all these things was about Runway AI. I hope you like each and everything about this, or you understand everything about Runway. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.